Get ready for some exciting news in the world of cryptocurrencies. Ethereum has just reached an impressive milestone by surpassing the $2,000 mark following the successful completion of the Shanghai upgrade, also known as Shapella. The markets are buzzing with the news, and it's causing quite a stir among investors and enthusiasts alike. The upgrade, which was completed late last night, enabled withdrawals on the blockchain, leading to a surge in Ethereum prices by around 7% in today's trading session. Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin, which has remained above $28,000. Meanwhile, the latest US inflation report has also played a significant role in boosting the crypto markets, with Bitcoin continuing to trade above the $30,000 mark. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies? Today, we bring you some thrilling news that will undoubtedly grab your attention. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency in the world, has just hit a major milestone by surpassing the $2,000 mark. The reason behind this surge is the successful completion of the Shanghai upgrade, also known as Shapella. This is a major development in the crypto world, and it is creating a buzz among investors and enthusiasts alike. Welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. We have some great news for you that will definitely pique your interest. Ethereum has made a significant move by surpassing the $2,000 mark due to the successful completion of the Shanghai upgrade. The upgrade, which is also known as Shapella, is a significant milestone in the world of cryptocurrencies, and it is causing a stir in the markets. The Shanghai upgrade was completed late last night, enabling withdrawals on the blockchain. The news of the successful upgrade sent ripples across the crypto world, leading to a surge in Ethereum prices. The value of Ethereum has surged by around 7% in today's trading session, outpacing Bitcoin, which has remained above $28,000. The latest US inflation report has also played a significant role in boosting the crypto markets, with Bitcoin continuing to trade above the $30,000 mark. Yesterday, BTC/USD hit a low of $29,725.57, but quickly bounced back to an intraday peak of $30,462.48 earlier today. This slight rise in price is reflected in the 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, which has bounced from its floor at 68.00 to a current reading of 69.73. If the index moves beyond the next visible point of resistance at 71.50, there's a good chance that Ethereum will move past $30,500. However, it is Ethereum that is stealing the limelight today, with a surge in price that has brought it to its highest level since last August. Today, ETH/USD hit a peak of $2,007.05, less than a day after trading at $1,882.37. This 8-month high is due in part to price strength rising beyond a ceiling at 65.00, and the RSI is now reading 69.44. If momentum continues in an upward direction, the next hurdle for bulls is a resistance level of 75.00. With this kind of momentum, ETH could move above $2,100 this week, which is a great sign for investors. The crypto market has been experiencing a surge lately, with the adoption of cryptocurrencies becoming more mainstream. As the world slowly moves towards a digital economy, cryptocurrencies are set to play a significant role in shaping the future. Ethereum's successful upgrade is a testament to the incredible potential that this technology holds, and it is paving the way for more exciting developments in the future. So, if you're a fan of cryptocurrencies, there's plenty to be excited about right now. Keep an eye on those RSI readings, stay tuned for more updates, and get ready for more exciting developments in the world of cryptocurrencies. The future is bright, and the potential for growth is massive. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies, be sure to check out our channel for more informative content. We cover everything from technical analysis to news and updates on the latest crypto trends. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates.